Alam mo, this 4 o'clock a.m. in the morning, I am just so frustrated about our government here in the Philippines. We have a lot of good laws out there, but I felt like the laws are just being applied to those who they want to apply it with. We or the constitution, I don't know if it's like it's what you call constitution, whatever, but I felt like kasi selective yung pag-a-apply ng law sa atin. Kapag mahirap ang nagkamali, kulong kagad, pero kapag mayaman na nagkamali or a person with power ang nagkamali, why does it take so long para magpakulong tayo ng taong ninakawan ng taong bayan? I just don't really get it. I mean, it's so frustrated to see that it's almost been, is it like more than 2 months or 2 months already? Wala pa rin nakukulong sa mga anomalies na napanood natin sa TV. And I really hope and pray, this is not to be pessimist or whatever, but I really hope and pray that before this Christmas holiday starts, or even before we celebrate this Christmas holiday, sana may makulong. I am not being pessimist or wishing anyone bad luck, but there's a lot of our fellow countrymen who don't even have the money to celebrate Christmas, who don't even have the money to bring their loved ones into the to the hospital, to bring their loved ones a medicine, whenever one of their family members will be having, an illness or getting sick. Those corrupt officials or those corrupt people are also murderers. Why? Because we have a lot of fellow countrymen who die just because they don't have the money to live, they don't have the money to buy medicine, and they don't have the money to put or bring their themselves to the hospital. I mean, imagine this, guys. Hindi dapat tayo nanlilimos ng tulong sa gobyerno because it is their sole duty to give it to their fellow countrymen. I felt like, I don't know, I'm not really like politically engaged with something, but I felt like as a citizen of this country, I felt like umuutang ang bansa natin and pinapabayaran nila sa mga tao tapos binubulsa lang nila. Come to think of it, uutang ang bansa, kukurakutin nila, tapos ibubulsa nila. Tapos, ang malala pa dun, pababayaran sa ating mga taong bayan. Why can't also they not, mali na English ko, pero why can't they make the value added tax a little bit lower if it's possible? Like, imagine, guys, out of the ASEAN countries that I know, parang tayo yung pinakamataas. 12% ang VAT natin. I recently bought this iPhone. I paid like 56,000 pesos, and then I paid 6,000 pesos for value added tax. Like, sa bawat galaw po natin sa panahon na to, we are paying tax. That's why, if you're not mad to this recent happenings in our country, I don't know, maybe you don't really see the bigger picture, but I hope someone will rot in jail before this Christmas holiday, for my fellow countrymen, for myself, and for us Filipinos. I know that we are resilient, we can get through anything, but we can be better if the government is also helping us out. I just wish that the justice will be served to us Filipinos before this Christmas holiday. Yun lang.